Hello everyone, today we're going to be playing Memory Murder. So let's go. For some reason I have a habit of making videos at 2 o'clock in the morning for some reason. And yeah, Memory Murder.
Memorize this pattern right here. What was the pattern?
I have a horrible memory. I think it's easy mode now? No, medium. Why does he put the whole square in? Caboozle.
Memorize this pattern.
Excuse me.
What was the pattern? Memorize this pattern right here.
I'll become judge.
What was the pattern?
What is wrong with people nowadays? What is that? Pick me.
Memorize this pattern.
That. Like, look at my fit. That is just nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice
Memorize
over there.
this pattern right here.
This dude with a robot. But, bro,
What was
cat
the pattern?
hands, cat ears. You might as well just become a cat. Oh my god, bro. Just don't be a cat. You're a human. Bye bye. Admin. No. Intermission. Oh, why did you have to sit me next to her?
Memorize this pattern.
What is this? Oh, that's easy.
What was the pattern? Memorize this pattern right here. What was the pattern? Memorize this pattern.
Oh, that's easy. Right,
What was the pattern?
kaboom, kaboom. Ugh.
Memorize this pattern right here. What was the pattern?
Yay.
Memorize this pattern. What was the pattern?
Yay.
Memorize this pattern right here. What was the pattern?
Yay. Let's go.
Memorize this pattern.
Oh, so it gets, like, the time goes
What was the
faster.
pattern?
Yay.
Memorize this pattern right here. What was the pattern?
Yay.
Memorize this pattern.
Oh, that's easy.
What was the pattern?
Kaboo.
Memorize this pattern right here.
Bro,
What was the pattern?
I don't want to invite someone. They're probably, like, asleep now.
Memorize this pattern. What was the pattern?
Patter? Is it saying patter?
Memorize this pattern right here.
Is it saying patter?
What was the pattern?
It's saying patter, not pattern. Yeah, he's off. Goodbye. What happens? Oh, Jesus.
Memorize this pattern.
Oh, it's hard now. Time goes very
What was
fast
the
now.
pattern?
It's, yeah. Alright, me next.
Memorize this pattern right here.
Wait, what? Why is it messed up?
What was the pattern?
Yay. Alright, it's me next.
Memorize this pattern.
Okay, that's easy.
What was the pattern?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Memorize
Sorry about
this
that, guys.
pattern right here. What was the pattern? Memorize this pattern.
That is so easy. It's
What
just
was
all
the
talk.
pattern? Memorize this pattern right here.
Jesus. Oh, and now it's expert.
What was the pattern?
Oh. Goodbye. Beep, 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 bang.
Memorize this pattern.
That is really easy.
What was the pattern?
Pro. This game has asked me to invite someone like 4
Memorize
times.
this pattern right here.
Okay.
What was the pattern?
Boom, 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 boom.
Memorize this pattern.
They're giving the easy ones to the other
What
people.
was the pattern?
I swear, she doesn't get this. She has the mind of a cat as well. Oh my god. She has the mind of a cat.
Memorize this pattern right here.
Does she have a tail as well?
What was the pattern?
I mean, she probably did. Yeah, goodbye.
Memorize this pattern.
I might actually win, to be honest. Pro. This
What
game's
was
asked
the
me like
pattern?
4 times. Is that a teddy bear? What the hell? Oh, I've won. See ya.
Memorize this pattern right here.
Oh, fart.
What was the pattern?
This is expert, okay? I don't know. Just leave me alone. Yeah, I won. I won. I still won, though. Oh, you won. Yay. Okay, so we've got a teddy bear with... Was that strawberry? No, that's just a bow
Memorize
tie.
this pattern. What was the pattern?
Oh
Memorize
my
this pattern
God.
right here.
This game has asked me like
What was
10
the
times to
pattern?
invite someone.
Memorize this pattern. What was the pattern?
Right.
Memorize this pattern right here.
Oh, that's easy.
What was the pattern? Memorize this pattern. What was the pattern? Memorize this pattern right here.
Guys, I was legit just watching the
What
middle.
was the pattern?
This Netflix series at the bottom right of your screen.
Memorize this pattern.
I'm on the episode, season 5, episode
What
4,
was
the
the pattern?
100th. I'm a minute into it and it's kind of good.
Memorize this pattern right here.
Jesus Christ, stop asking me.
What was the pattern?
That man just pulled out a gun. It's not, oh, I have a gun too.
Memorize this pattern.
It's not that serious, bro. Oh, now he's pointing the gun at
What
the
was
judge.
the pattern?
It's not that serious. Yeah, I think he's gonna get revenge. Hey, don't put the gun at me. Damn.
Memorize this pattern right here.
Okie doke.
What was the pattern?
Boom, 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 boom.
Memorize this pattern. What was the pattern? Memorize this pattern right here.
That is so
What was
easy.
the
That's
pattern?
only one green spot.
Memorize
Oh my
this
god.
pattern.
This game is such pay to win. You can see because it asked
What
me
was
like
the
1,000 times to add one of my friends. They're probably asleep because it's nearly 3 o'clock in the
Memorize
morning.
this pattern right here.
Jesus Christ. Excuse
What was
me.
the pattern?
Oh, it's me next. It's me.
Memorize this pattern.
Oh, that is easy, bro. Sweet.
What was the pattern? Memorize this pattern right here. What was the pattern? Memorize this pattern.
That is so easy.
What was the pattern? Memorize this pattern right here.
Oh my
What was
god.
the pattern?
Oh, now it's expert.
Memorize this pattern.
Not really a hard one, but
What was the pattern?
yeah, goodbye. Kabloom.
Memorize this pattern right here.
Okay.
What was the pattern?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Memorize this pattern. What was the pattern?
Goodbye, teddy bear. Oh my god, if it asks me again, I'm gonna flip.
Memorize this pattern right here.
I'm literally gonna explode if it says it again.
What was the pattern?
Bro, she left the game. She was that scared to get exploded, she left the game.
Memorize this pattern.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
What was the pattern?
GG for Jack P125. Have a nice day, Jack. Boom.
Memorize this pattern right
Oh,
here.
that is easy. Bet.
What was the pattern?
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. Fart. Bro, I'm exploding, man. Right, guys, I won, but it asked me again, so